aircraft after 100 feet and over 550 knots, 600 miles an hour. He's now slowing the aircraft down to its minimum speed, just a little over 85 miles an hour, as it comes back in towards. The aircraft's hovering in the air, not quite like the Harrier jump jet, but not far off. Operational within the UK, there are two aircraft that are coming to be on 24 hours protecting the UK airspace from any potential threat. Jim's now going to turn the aircraft away from you, light up the afterburners, you'll see them light up, and he's going to power the aircraft directly into the vertical. 40 sails to fire the thrust, coming up. You see today is one of our two-seat trainer aircraft, and the tank you can see under the aircraft is not a form already called a weapon, it's a fuel tank. It gives extra range and to allow Jim to display longer for us. This 46 aircraft now RAF Conning speak.
I got one, boy. Should we go pick one?
46 aircraft now at RAF Conningsby in Lincolnshire, and we're getting more delivered every month as they come off the production line of BAE Systems at Wharton. Chance now to see the amazing agility of this fighter aircraft as Jim performs a VV roll directly towards the ground. Showing you just how tightly this 12-foot fighter aircraft is capable of flying Mach 2 that's trying to speed it down approximately 1,400 miles an hour at heights up to 65,000 feet. Not only is the aircraft incredibly agile in its turret bit, but also when it's carrying a full weapons load, and including when it's supersonic. The aircraft's still capable of performing 60 manoeuvres, 6 times the force of gravity, even when supersonic, and 9 times the force of gravity, 9G, when subsonic. See what penetrate.